Well, what's going on, YouTube world? Today is opening day, deer season. We're gonna take in a massive amount of deer today, so I'm gonna get as much video as I can, and I hope you guys enjoy. So we'll see you then. We got Ezra here already, Kenny's here, Coco's here with her new toy, and Nicholas will be here at some point. So we'll see you guys when the show gets started. All right, so right now it's 8:53. We've already had, I think, 4 calls of people that are coming with deer. Just want to show you the cooler. We've only got those deer over there, and we got all the new cardboard down to catch the blood. So that's the before, and I'll do another one at the very end of the day, show you how we turned out, along with trying to get as much photos and video of all these deer coming in. So we'll see you guys in a little bit.
154 it looks like. What do you think?
Excuse me, buddy.
What is it? Is this a buck?
It sure is. It's got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's an 8-pointer.
Is this one already done?
Not yet. It's gonna have it. It's gonna get a skin off and turn it into a steak.
Do you know what gun it's out with?
I don't.
I wish I had a deer blanket. Because I want to have one badly.
A nice comfy one.
Yep.
Grab that wheelbarrow out. We'll lay that on the ground and cut the horns off and we'll send that with her.
Oh, do they need this head?
Yeah, the head goes in the
Excuse me, guys?
I think I cut it off around freaking.
Yeah, take it this time. Come back with it. Is it so far?
Yeah.
As soon as I saw it and I knew it was down, we found out. I was like, I'm calling Denny to make sure I can get
Wait a
it.
second here. Kenny speaking. Good, how are you, Tony? Yeah, sure can. Yeah, sure can. Okay, see you when you get here. Yep, right. Yep, and right across the front right there. And then always do the front cut first. Oh, okay. Spin it.
That's 3.
Congratulations.
Thanks, I'll give you a shout.
That's the blade.
Yeah, that's my.
Here comes another one.
I think we got it. Yeah, I want to carry it. Alright, drop her right here. Who's the lucky shooter? I am. Alright, come back in when you're ready and we'll fill some paperwork out.
My first year hunting. I'm not quite ready to shoot a gun yet.
Oh, not ready?
Yeah.
Yep. But once you do, let me tell you, you want to shoot again and again and again.
Yeah, I'm already excited about it.
Alright.
Just cutting the head right off this one, right?
Yep, today's date, your name, address, license number, right there. What's your name again? Chad.
All right. 4 deer down. More to come. Coco's playing with the toy.
size neck on him.
Yeah.
Yeah, nice looking rat.
Look at that. Neck's almost as thick as his chest.
Those are the only 3 we have right now?
What? 4, but yeah.
I meant,
To skin.
yeah.
All right, see you at the next one.
Down?
Yeah, a little. Good.
There's a line of them down Jimmy's.
Oh, wow.
I'm not kidding.
There was one person ahead of us, and there was probably 9 people behind us. So get ready.
I've already called, so.
Okay, yeah, I was gonna say, so get ready.
Oh, we're on the pad.
Change the brake license here.
Kenny, what are we guessing today? I'm guessing 115.
120.
120.
Phone number again? 24.
No, good.
I ain't even go up yet. 145 minutes.
So, roast, bacon burger, stew sauce.
No stew. So let's do some. Yes,
I got it on
Those spike down?
veterans years ago.
let's do one roast on this one too. Sure, yeah.
You all set to do this one?
Yep. She wants to know how much it weighs. If you want, you can weigh it right on out.
We need Jay.
Slide it around.
So between the bacon burger and the stew, you want just those? What's your regular burger?
I had him. He was in.
No.
He was in.
Yeah, I don't remember which one everybody does. So, do the bacon burger and then split the sweet.
It's a weird thing to hear that sometimes. Just a little spike though. Yeah. He's like, let's do this.
Yeah, so at least we saw that 8 point that I shot on the camera. So he's alive and kicking well.
That's good.
He was Halloween anyways. I don't know if he is now. But,
Right, yeah, you never know today.
but you can see right in front of the camera where it was. That's the brisket, that part right in
Another
front,
one.
isn't it? Is that what that is? Yeah, right through. That's where I'm getting.
Oh, yeah.
A hundred of them right now. Just a cow came out.
Black ones.
118.
Yeah. Yeah, 118.
118.
118.
118.
Close.
They did.
We were right in the middle.
Right in the middle.
Yeah. Nice. All right, so you want them with horns?
I haven't seen you in, I
Oh,
don't
you
know
want the
what.
horns?
Yes, please.
Okay. You're not gonna do it your feet?
No,
Okay.
not that one.
You sure?
My,
What'd you do? Should you use a head?
no, what happened?
What?
You got a broken horn.
His horns broke.
Yeah.
Well, it looked like he did a flip with it where you
Yeah.
found her, you know, when you got to her.
Yeah. I know, I thought it was a doe. I called Matt and told him I hit a doe.
Well, I mean, yeah.
I'll let that down on the ground. It's easier.
Then I thought I could use my antlerless deer permit, but of course they were 3.5 inches long.
Of course. Of course.
Of course.
Good morning, guys.
Morning.
I see antlers. Right.
That was a good
Nice.
looking one.
Yes.
Nice.
All right.
Wasn't that a nice first day buck? Any day buck. Yeah, right.
Yeah.
That's a good looking animal for sure.
Ooh.
I told you there were 9 people standing behind us at Jimmy's.
Yep.
Nice one.
Okay, set that one on the middle rail. Nice buck.
Yeah. Cut up on that freaking mat. Dog's dead.
Yeah, cut them legs off first.
Yeah, just want to do it.
Okay. This Tony?
Yeah, it's back on the car, yeah.
Hey Tony, is this yours?
Yeah.
Nice.
Nice looking animal for sure.
Yeah. Well, tell him you got something decent.
I know, right?
Usually.
How much do you weigh?
160.
Nice.
Yeah.
You gotta mount it?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
You want it? Today's day. Phone number, Tony?
Another one?
Dump that one out.
So, this wheel?
Yeah, no, just go slow. It'll drop right off. It'll be fine.
That one, just keep outside for now.
Watch out, Coco.
Yeah. When I get a minute, I'll keep it.
Alright.
Just like the last one.
Good?
Yep.
Yeah, hold it. It'll slide off.
What time you say, Tony? Quarter.
Yeah, nice little buck.
Not bad for my first deer.
There you go.
First one ever?
Yeah.
First one ever.
Oh,
I'm a
hell.
bird girl. I thought, why not?
Look at that, honey. They made it a gladiator.
Nice.
Well, I fit Josiah's in my Gladiator. That was the first deer I ever had in mine, so.
Did you say 3 point?
It is.
3 point, yeah.
Oh, yeah.
I'm saying
I was happy
110.
with that.
Yeah.
Right on the dot.
Yeah.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
110.
Kind of like mine.
Pretty good at that.
Yeah.
I thought
Yeah,
it was
that.
When you're showing, you got a couple thousand.
I didn't care how big the horns were.
So I've been around.
Right, yeah.
nice.
And we got the biologist people over there doing their thing.
I'll be running again next week.
All right, thank you.
Yep.
Seen a lot of guys coming in and out of here all of a sudden, haven't you?
Yeah, I'm just trying to stay focused. Yep. What's your phone number, Dave?
416.
I'll take your steaks.
What's that?
I'll take your steaks.
Whatever, you're the man, you cut them up.
Gotcha.
Give me steaks, give me some burger, do what is best for the animal.
Okay. Sausage or bacon burger?
I'll have some pasta. Okay.
Any stew?
Oh.
Any bacon burger? And you want it
Yep, mix a little. Try for it.
70 when you pick it up. I think we're going to cut the horns off that one. Yeah.
second, yeah. I would imagine.
Yeah.
I think he's cut the whole head off.
What do you think?
No, guess
I
not.
better just go on, yeah. What's your name on it?
I'm gonna get a weight on it, you know, everybody's gonna want me to, I'm gonna have to dump it over 200 pounds. That's how it works.
Everyone, it's on that flat head, right?
Yeah. On this head right here.
Who was shot?
Brown?
Brown? That's what, Waldo County?
Yeah.
Yep.
Oh, wrong one. So used to that.
Hey, what's that lip on for?
He's sticking his
I gotta ask you, right?
We do it at this point, yeah. We do at this point, so yeah, come on in.
Looks like 150.
Okay.
Awesome. Thanks, guys.
Yep. Yeah.
Talk to you soon.
Yeah, thanks, Dave. You need to know what that guy weighs? We already know.
We already know, he says.
Okay.
Drop this one back down. Oh, we got the other one, right?
Yeah, drop it down and put it on. Under 100, ain't it?
77.
77. Yep. What's your phone number again, Jay?
944-9135.
5. As much as you call it, I gotta have it memorized. It's a dog? It's a button buck?
Yep.
You gonna mount it?
I want the spool.
Yeah, we can cut the head off, so with it.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Ah,
You busy?
yeah, I was getting ready to hook this one up.
Okay, go ahead. Steaks, quarter inch.
Just steak the straps and the rest grind. You do it at a garlic.
Yeah.
So was it
All garlic.
That's all you do.
You don't want to put it more and more.
Get this deer? Nice, good for you, buddy.
right out.
Yeah.
Beside that rock wall there.
Another one on there?
Yeah, that head, he wants to take that head home with him, so if you can do something real quick with it.
See if I can cut it off.
Alright, biologists are gonna do what they gotta do with that head real quick, and you can take it home.
Yep.
That comes to 115. When you pick it up.
I'm gonna call, I want to tell you, I'm gonna be up north, so I'm gonna phone the thing, right?
Yeah, that's fine.
And he'll pay you,
Okay.
207.
I'm still in the post.
9441. Oh, sorry. 949.
What town is it?
170.
Awesome. Okay.
No? Sorry, he just started writing on your paper.
That's alright.
Somebody else will.
Yeah.
That's about.
Yeah, that's not bad.
Okay. Well, we've all guessed. We've had actually one person say we're going to fill the cooler. I figured around 38, and then we're in between here. We're going to get pretty much fill the cooler, I think.
Right. Perfect.
Yeah.
What do you think, a few days when that's done?
Beginning of the week, probably.
Okay.
Yeah. I'll give you a shout. Yep. Or give your dad a shout.
Yep. So now I have to take the head off of the hive.
Yeah.
Aaron's sister has a super one.
That's why I took the head off first.
Yeah, and she's the only one that we're actually going to do. It's his sister. That's the head still down. Actually, I'll give you a garbage bag. Everything's going to be back.
I assume that wasn't the case. That's cardboard only.
Yeah, they gave you the old dumpster that's stinky. They knew what they were in for, but everything's in the bag. So
Yep.
fill the bag up.
Sure.
Yeah.
You want me to leave that in a full bag?
Sure. Yeah. Save me a little expense.
Those are filthy.
Yeah, let me get some gloves.
We got another one out there or no?
Another one here?
No, I thought there was.
You guys with the soils all?
No, someone behind you, Aaron. Nice. Ooh. I was gonna record, but I gotta charge it. All right, folks, we got 13 deer in. I'm gonna trying to record and take video and do whatever I can, but I also gotta work, so I hope you enjoy what I do get. We're just gonna keep going. I gotta get this back on the charger before somebody else shows up, but I just want to give you an update. Okay, finish up scanning that one, then these three gotta go into the cooler. The board's starting to fill up. So we'll see you soon. Look at the people rolling in. Non-stop action here, folks. No deer. Oh, it's Dan.
Hi guys. You recognize the truck. He's a pizza guy.
Yeah.
There's a pizza guy.
Oh man. Too bad. Good eater.
That's Aaron.
Yeah, I know Aaron. I'm the building group. I'm Danny.
Hey, Danny. Yeah, we'll knock this right on there.
Special delivery?
Yes, sir.
Bring it on in.
Yes, sir.
pizza from the Plymouth store. Dan's here with the pizza.
Is he?
Yeah.
Hey, Dan. Very straight at it.
Hey, brother.
Thanks for the pizza.
You're welcome. Thank you guys.
Appreciate that.
This is awesome.
We'll send it over here.
Ezra, if you can get him started on that paperwork in the
Yeah.
book.
Come right in here, we'll get you going.
How's it going?
Good.
This is the process.
It is awesome. Guys, I'm not gonna bother because you guys look like you got work up the yin yang.
Yeah, we do.
Good. Keep rocking and rolling. Enjoy that pizza, and I really appreciate seeing you.
Yeah, we
Thanks,
appreciate it.
Thank you.
Thank you.
We appreciate it,
We're
Tim.
definitely gonna enjoy.
All right, brother.
Thanks, man. Not one of that is pulled off that easily.
You didn't cut it right then. You gotta get these little hangers.
I did that.
Really?
Yeah, I cut right up through here like that.
Alright. So you're getting this tag done? Okay, you wanna finish this? I'll get the paperwork for this guy.
License number attached.
What's the name on this one?
Mike, last name
What is it?
Rinkes, R-I-N-K-E-S.
I've never heard that name before. Alright, what's your phone number, Mike? All the way from down to here.
Yeah, I used to.
Well, that's
go
one.
out to
The
the
heart's
other
still in it too.
Oh, yeah?
Come with the liver, lungs, and the heart.
Yeah, he had some help.
Take the heart, put your name on it, put it on the shelf.
If I can get to
Or
it.
I can just cut it.
No, it's not any. So you got a tag?
I got that one, but I didn't do the ear yet. I was waiting, you guys got the way to do that.
Yeah. Alright, I'll take all your stakes.
Realistically, I just wanted to do the extracts and any of the warnings. And outside of that, I just want to make
That's it? Okay. So I'll take half.
that's fine.
That's all right.
Alright. So this one, 10 plus 5. 65, this is 195, I'm gonna pick it up.
Okay.
And it should be the beginning of the week,
Good deal.
sometime.
Sounds good.
I'll send, can I text that number?
Yeah, absolutely.
I'll send you a text.
Appreciate it.
Alright, thanks
Have a
a
good
lot.
one.
This is like.
You never pulled out lungs before?
No.
Yeah, you gotta reach down in by the throat, and there's a little connective thing that holds it together, so you've got cut blind. Hold the lungs up with
Yeah.
your left hand and reach down in and use the tip of your knife and slice around the throat.
I think I'm at the heart.
You got the heart?
Did you see this one was?
That one's about 125.
Yeah, I can take the heart right on and cut it.
So it's dead on?
Yeah.
That's gone.
Yeah.
No, hands
Now
off,
this
yeah.
is a heart.
Yes,
Yeah,
hands
hands
off.
off.
Alright, so this one's all ready to be sprayed, Aaron?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, I look like I just. Yeah. Alright, we're good now. I got everything out.
Okay.
Now I go back to scanning.
Not too bad.
Yes. I try to introduce wine with each other. I can get up there if you want.
Alright.
Yeah, all right.
The regular archer. So he tagged as regular archer, so I called the game warden.
You got the puzzle figured out?
Yeah. But that afternoon.
You guys been busy this morning?
Oh yeah.
Regular archery. I got John to thank over. These people are filling their freezers.
Right.
And he goes,
Ripped it out of my hand.
he goes, I can change that. You can shoot the clock. I said, no, don't change it.
That way
Got
around.
$1 million on the clock. I'd rather kill one of them. He goes, okay. So I went to go shoot this little doe. How you doing?
I'm trying to get a piece of pizza in between deer.
Yeah.
Wow, that's a nice one.
Thank you. 176.
Nice. Are you mounting that?
Yeah. Yeah.
One to sit.
Put that one right out there beside the deck. Sorry. It's gonna be caked.
Yeah, I already went out there.
Cool.
Or just the horns?
Oh, yeah, just a horn.
Just the horns. Okay.
All right.
Yep, so that can go right up on that.
Let me cut it off first.
Yeah. He'll get the horns ready. Who's the shooter?
He is.
All right, right over here. Today's date, your name and address, license number.
Second.
Second, 24.
Today's 11th month.
Yeah.
Yeah.
11,
2.
2, 24.
I need a shirt. I need a stick. Pass my stick, Nicholas.
What's the name on
Stick.
it?
Kevin Lyons.
Stick.
Stickers.
794-8329. It's our home phone. Chester. Live in Chester.
Knock some bone chunks out of there.
But Chester.
I'll take any steaks.
What?
How thick?
We like them thin. We
right.
process it one for us.
That one in here, huh?
Yep.
You can hold it out there.
Who's that? Add bacon to it?
Do you want bacon burger or?
5 pounds is 15, 10 pounds is 30. So we do all this first and then we do the burger out. So if you want yeah. Well, this is an extra option because we can put pork in your regular burger. The bacon burger is a completely different option. Yeah.
Guys, it was coming out.
Yeah.
5 pounds.
Giant.
Sausage? You got any sausage at all?
Do you want sausage?
Yep.
Yeah.
This is our kinds right here. It's $5 per kind.
The breakfast.
Any other ones? So after we do the bacon burger, we put the regular burger with not the sausage in there, like the sausage 50% burger.
Yeah.
You got yours, okay. I was like, grab mine right there. I was gonna do it.
Where's mine at? Is that yours?
This is mine.
Oh
Yeah.
yeah.
I don't know what you do with yours.
Whose knife do you have?
I never did get the way.
That guy right there,
I got 160.
I was just gonna say 160.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's what I figured. Man, on the pole line. Yeah. It was a quick one and half an hour.
Can't beat that.
No. Yeah, right.
Except he's got a new shack and we worked all summer on it and now he was up there half hour. so much.
Yeah, just right. Take pictures of them now.
Another one coming?
I suppose I could go and
You
stuff.
could. Yeah. That comes to 185 when you pick it up.
Okay.
Yeah, I'll give you a call probably the middle of next week sometime.
Okay.
Yeah. We got 20 or something ahead of you. Almost 30.
Yeah, I called first thing this morning, but we was all getting there.
Yeah, well that happens. I mean, right now we got a room enough for about 30 more deer, and then the total will be full. And then we'll start taking them in by appointment.
Yeah.
So, if somebody gets one on Tuesday, it might be Thursday or Friday, so you can even get it in here.
We're gonna be there on time.
Yeah, that's good.
That dog, he's looking kind of timid there, right? Look at all these critters.
Well, thank you guys.
Thank you.
Yeah, thank you.
Yeah, take care now.
Yeah.
Hoodie on, now I gotta take it off. Awesome. Oh, we're gonna make you famous.
You are, huh? You think we could cut that rack off and I can take it with me?
Sure can. All right, I think we're up over 30 something now. We got one pulling in right as I speak.
All right, dump this one out.
We are tired already.
Pull it right in and dump it on the floor.
Yep.
It's getting ready to be decapitated. You got a deer. He's gonna bring the wagon right out. Oh, that's not a bad one.
198 from Warner.
Oh wow.
My dad took fat out of it, or it would have been over 200.
Oh,
Oh God.
Beauty. 198, huh?
Yes.
Man,
Nice.
did you leave his balls on?
No, my dad did not leave his balls on.
There's your 2
I
pounds.
know. And he took fat out of him too. He had so much fat in him.
This
It's
is
crazy.
okay. You can leave right out here.
Yeah.
We'll get them other 3 on the rail, and I'll keep this one while they work on that.
So we're gonna do the shoulder cape.
Yep.
Yep.
Go on in.
all right, we'll skull cap it. And we're getting cleaned up. So we'll see you guys in a little bit. Look at this one, it still has spots.
Kenny speaking.
Crazy, crazy. We are still flying.
Good.
That's a nice one, it's being caped.
Yep, bring it on over.
Nichols is skinning.
Yeah, as soon as you can. Yep, because we're filling up fast.
Ezra's doing what Ezra does.
Yeah, deadlifting.
Yeah.
All right, we gotta get back to it. Alrighty, folks. This is it for today. We're getting cleaned up. We've taken in 34 deer today. Kenny's still gonna take some after we leave, but I'll show you the cooler. And this is our ending result for today. Quite a few deer in there. It was a fun day. We're all tired. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. We'll see you next time. Peace. Keep on naturing.